Hi everyone, my name is Vova and this is a new episode of Amasty News. Let's start! Let's talk about what's new in the world of technology and commerce over the past 2 weeks. Snapchat is making the future of commerce a reality. Snapchat's scan feature has been upgraded with commerce capabilities, with a feature called Screenshot. Users can use the camera to scan their friend's outfit and subsequently they'll quickly be served up shopping recommendations from hundreds of brands. The company is using the same technology for another upcoming feature that will allow users to snap pictures of ingredients in their kitchen and get served recipes from allrecipes.com that integrate them. Clubhouse? No, Twitter. Twitter, one of the most trending social media sites, is collaborating in a partnership with payments provider Stripe on the launch of the company's Ticketed Spaces feature. US users will be able to apply to host paid live audio rooms starting in the next couple of weeks. Anyone who wants to charge has to have 1,000 followers, have hosted 3 spaces in the past 30 days and be at least 18 years old. Twitter and Snapchat are releasing updates, but there are also updates in the Amasty store, consisting of a bunch of new releases. Let's start with the coming soon product. Want to allow customers to pay partially for your products? Partial Payments extension is a solution for you. Let's move on to the already released extensions. Create an unlimited number of your own custom reports based on any available store data and analyze this information to improve your store. All this is possible with the Custom Reports Builder extension. Automate the process of importing customers into Magento store and combine leads from all platforms with the Import Customers extension. This model has already been added to the Import-Expand solution. Creating bundles with configurable products to offer customers what they really need and increase your profits will be easy with the Configurable Products in Bundles extension. All links are waiting for you in the description. New tip for your e-commerce business: make a good first impression. It takes users about a second to decide whether they like your store or not, but on the other hand, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Oddly enough, this is the first impression that can help you attract lifetime customers, so try your best on your website design with our Jet theme. It's created to update the design of your store, keeping its performance stable. All changes can be made without having any programming skills. That's all. Check the description to find all the links and like this video if you want to see more videos on this channel. Bye! Let's talk about what's new